Okay, all right. Welcome to another lesson in the Lightning Learning Lesson series, where today we're going to talk about beginning our movie poster projects in Pixlr. Now, what you see on my screen is where we are headed. Obviously not where we're starting. We have ourselves a complete movie poster, okay? Now, how did we get here? Let's take a look. You want to start by being on your Pixlr home screen, of course, and we're going to click on Create New. Once you click on Create New, we have a lot of options here for presets, but I don't like the presets for this purpose. Let's label it your last name movie poster. Remember, don't write last name, write whatever your last name is. So I probably should label mine Decola, but for this purpose, we'll just write last name. Now, the width is going to be 800. Your height is going to be 1100. And we are going to click. You know what? Let's add a background. White. Yep, good. Create. Okay, so what we just created was a blank layer in Pixlr, okay? I want to go over here to our Layers tab, and I want to get everyone in a habit of labeling their layers. So this is our background, okay? Now, on this layer, we can, we're really just gonna leave it as is for now. Our first step is to, of course, make a border layer, because the border layer is what all of your information will lay upon. If we go look at the finished example, we have our actor names, our release date, we have our movie title. A lot of that overlays the border. So if we go back here to our actual poster, we click on the new layer plus sign. We want an empty layer, and we're going to label it border. Now remember, there's no A in the word border, and okay. It looks like nothing changed because nothing did change. All we did was add an empty layer, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to use our marquee/rectangle select tool, and we're going to draw the inside square of our border area. I don't like that. Let me try it again. That's better. Let's see. I want a little bit of space up the top because that's where my actor names are going to go. Okay? Let's see here. That's good. The trick is you want the left side and the right side to be even. I'd say that's about even. There we go. Okay. Now, as a reminder, currently you have the inside selected, all right? But that's not what you want. We want to go to Select, Invert Selection, and that'll bring us to the outside, the border area. So now we could fill it in with the black if we wanted. I would suggest using the paint bucket though. Okay, so we selected with the Marquee Select tool. We went to Select, Invert, and then we filled in with the bucket tool. At this point, you have your border ready to go. That's all I'm going to show you in this video, but I ask that before we go, you go to Select, Deselect. Once you have this, move on to the next video. Good luck.